some Jamaicans will sell their soul for an American visa or the almighty US dollar. But let me tell you something. Some of them end up shedding tears just because of being stupid. Guys, I want you to listen to this woman's story and leave a comment and give me your take on it. I'm telling you, some of these things that happen to some of these people, you don't have to feel sorry for them because they must have an idea what them I get into. Anyway, guys, this is a reaction channel. We don't fight, we don't argue. It's more like an channel for entertainment. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, guys, what you waiting for? Do it now. So now, this woman dream turned into a nightmare because someone had said one time, that everybody do something to get something out of it. And when you think about it, it's a fact. People sell them soul just to get something, get what they want. They will go through to any extreme to get what they want. So imagine this woman being a 26-year-old woman. And of course, it's a woman who was involved in a relationship. Just jump out of a relationship. And of course, she says she going to start a new one. And it so happened that somebody just dropped into her lap, an American. Now, the woman still hurt from the bad relationship she had. Before she give herself a break, she jumped right back into her. So, and just when she think that things can't get any better or any worse, this man come to Jamaica, this American guy, and of course, charm her. But not only that, the man come to Jamaica because she met the man online and them start to chatting every day. And of course, it make her feel like she's the only person in the world. You have scam, all different kind of scam, I mean, scam of the heart, which is a very, very common thing when it comes to green card and US dollar. The man take the plane, go to America, and of course him invite her to meet and spend time with him at the hotel that he was staying. And now, you can't help but think that she should, as a matter of fact, she knew why she was going there. Because she was thinking, okay, the man come all the way down, maybe this is her chance at real happiness. So, she take the leap. For just one amazing week, the man treat her like royalty. He says all the right things to her. He promised her marriage, a future together, and of course, a new life overseas. And she believed every word the man has said. And she just feels that for once, somebody really, really makes she feel special. But that was a trick. The man just came down to have a good time. Now, this woman barely knew anything about the man's past except what he told her. She had no proof, no background check, nothing. And the excitement of being loved made her forget to protect her heart. And of course, she felt like she deserved happiness after her tough past, so she ignored all the warning signs. The man gave her cash, but never show her real proof of who he was. Him not show her no photo, no ID, just words and empty promises. The man paid for everything in cash and even hide his real name. And that, but she didn't know anyway, but that sounds suspicious. It was. But she wanted to believe. The idea of moving abroad with him made her drop her guard and forget to look out for herself. Now, When somebody is desperate for love or a way out, it's easy to trust the wrong person. Even smart people can get fooled. If someone's story doesn't add up or they keep secrets, ask questions. Don't just hope for the best. And that's what she did. She not ask no question, nothing. She not see no proof or nothing. The man having fake name on social media and she buy into it. Depending on someone else for money or a new life, it can set someone up for heartbreak and trouble. And this is what happened to a lot of people. And no matter how they hear stories of what happened to somebody else, them just said to themselves, say, listen, it will never happen to me. People should always demand honesty, and they must have proof before putting their future in someone else's hand. Now, this story isn't just about her. It's a wake-up call for all of us. So, what can you do? Or what should she do? Or what should she have done? Now, people should take them time building trust. If things seems too good to be true, double check them. Because this was really good. The man come down, spend up her money pan her, put her up in a hotel, rent car, give her a whole lot of money, take her out to restaurants. That sounds too good to be true. People must look out for their own safety, them emotional, physical, and financially, especially with people who we meet online are from other countries. Now, another thing is, sometimes some things you got to run it by other people. Like, if you don't want to talk to your family, immediate family, talk to friends before making big moves. And people should not be afraid to ask for help. Hope is great, but people have to make sure it goes hand in hand with wisdom and self-respect. Because she don't know the man and she can spend whole week at hotel with him. And the bad thing about it, the man, she don't know nothing about the man left and go back to America. And then the woman find out she's pregnant. Now, she don't know the man right name. She don't know exactly where in America the man live. She don't know if the man is a criminal. She don't know nothing. So now she pregnant. And the kid don't have no father. And she don't know where under God's earth in America to find the man. Because the man went down to Jamaica. And apparently it looked like what him say him not like. Because apparently maybe she not look like the picture on social media. Or whatever it is. Him go down there. The man go back to America. The woman not hear from the man. Now the woman pregnant. So what should that woman do? At the end of the day, that woman heartbreak teaches all of us something important. Real scrutiny is important. Real security comes from trusting yourself first also. And we should never put our dreams in the hands of someone we barely know, no matter how sweet their words sound. We should stay smart, we should stay safe, and remember that we deserve love. But even though we deserve love, and some of us desperate for it, and some of us can't do without it, but we also deserve to protect our hearts. Because when that is broken, it might, for some people, it might take a while to heal. And it might leave scars. Because right now, she's going to have to explain to that child, when the child reaches an age where the child can understand, where is my father? What is she going to tell him? Or me meet one man on social media. The man come down at Jamaica for 1 week, put me up in a hotel, and me get pregnant for you. And me don't know where them we find the man. Some of them might even punish the child for something that the child did not. It's not the child's fault that the man just left her pregnant. And that's not fair to any child to have to go through something like that. This is why we have to be careful and we have to protect our hearts at all times. Guys, if you have ever been in a situation like this or you know someone who has, let's talk about it in the comments. What would you do differently? What advice would you give? Let's learn together so no one else have to face the heartbreak alone like what is going on with this woman right now. And guys, I will see you back here in my next YouTube video.